नादिर शाह ईरान का एक क्रूर शासक था जो अपनी फतह और बेरहमी के लिए जाना जाता था। वह एक साधारण चरवाहे परिवार में पैदा हुआ था, लेकिन अपनी सैन्य ताकत और रणनीति से 1736 में फारक का शाह बन गया। उसकी नज़र भारत की अपार दौलत पर थी और 1739 में उसने मुगल बादशाह मोहम्मद शाह के कमजोर शासन का फायदा उठाकर दिल्ली पर हमला कर दिया। करनाल की लड़ाई में मुगल सेना को हराने के बाद वह दिल्ली में घुसा और भारी लूटपाट की। कहते हैं जब उसे ये लगा कि दिल्ली के लोग उसके सैनिकों पर हमला कर सकते हैं, तो उसने सुनहरी मस्जिद के पास खड़े होकर कत्लेआम शुरू करो का हुक्म दिया। इसके बाद दिल्ली की गलियां खून से भर गई, हजारों बेगुनाह मारे गए और शहर खौफ में डूब गया। लूट का अंदाजा इसी से लगाया जा सकता है कि वह कोहिनूर हीरा और तख्त ताऊस तक अपने साथ ले गया। सुनहरी मस्जिद, जिसे इसके सुनहरे गुंबदों की वजह से ये नाम मिला, आज भी उस भयंकर इतिहास की गवाह बनी हुई है।
The brutal massacre ordered by Nadir Shah in 1739 was one of the darkest chapters in Delhi's history. After defeating the Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah Rangila in the Battle of Karnal, Nadir Shah entered Delhi as a visitor. Initially, the city was spared from destruction, but a violent incident changed everything. The massacre at Sunehri Masjid on March 2020, 1739, while Nadir Shah was at the Sunehri Masjid, a rumor spread that he had been killed. Enraged Delhi locals attacked the Persian soldiers. In retaliation, Nadir Shah stood at the mosque balcony and ordered a general massacre by the simply unsheathing his sword, a signal for his troops to begin the slaughter. Impact of the massacre: around 30,000 to 40,000 Delhi residents were killed, the city was looted, and its riches were plundered. Famous treasures like Kohinoor diamond and the peacock throne were taken to Persian. Delhi, once a thriving Mughal capital, was left in ruin. This massacre marked the beginning of the end of the Mughal Empire as it never fully recovered from a devastation. Hello, my dear friends. You all are welcome back with the channel Alan's Venture. Hope you all are doing great. So, today we are at the Chandni Chowk to explore the historical mosque, which is known by the Golden Mosque, Sunehri Masjid in Hindi. This mosque has a cruel history of an empire who ordered to kill the innocent people of Delhi after his rule, after his victory. This mosque is situated near the Shishganj Sahib, Gurdwara Shishganj Sahib. And today we would discuss about the cruel history of this beautiful mosque, Golden Mosque. So there is a very interesting story behind. So get the touch at the end of the video so that you could know the entire history and an interesting story, a cruel story behind it.
सुनहरी मस्जिद दिल्ली के चांदनी चौक में स्थित एक ऐतिहासिक मस्जिद है, जिसे 1721-22 में मुगल दरबारी रोशन उद्दौला ने बनवाया था। इस मस्जिद का नाम इसके सोने का पानी चढ़े गुंबदों के कारण पड़ा। 1739 में फारसी आक्रमणकारी नादिर शाह ने यहीं से दिल्ली को लूटने का आदेश दिया।
So let's discuss why the mosque is known by the name of Golden Mosque. As you can see, three domes are there and the both have colored with the golden colors. But at the time of Nadir Shah in 1739, these gold gumbad were made by gold. It is believed and it is what we have heard from the sources of you can say Google or the people that have described, that claim that it is believed that these three domes were made by gold. That's why the people used to call the mosque Golden Mosque or Sunehri Masjid. But अगर अभी की बात करें तो This is the Chandni Chowk, and it's a very bustly or a very, you can say, a commercial area, a very busy area. You can see the number of people visit Delhi. This is Chandni Chowk, Gurdwara, and this is just to my right side. This is the Gurdwara Sheeshganj Sahib, and it's a very busy area. बाकी अब करें इस दौर की तो आप देखेंगे ये डॉम है इसके और it is in very bad condition. It's required the urgent renovation work so that this monument or this beautiful mosque can be protected. I am at the roof and the work of renovation is under process. You can see, okay, there is a wuzu khana and अभी इसकी renovation का काम and hopefully it would be renovated by the ASI or the people of Delhi, you can say, जो लोग इसको संभालने में या इसको प्रोटेक्ट करने में लगे हुए हैं और दिस मॉस्क कैन बी बिकॉज प्रोटेक्टेड और इट कैन बी सेव्ड. और अभी 2023 में इसके फ्रंट पे और फ्रंट साइड में भी हम दिखाएंगे आपको. फ्रंट पे इसके कुछ थोड़ा काम करवाया गया था. So my dear friend, this was the story of an empire and also of a mosque, that is Golden Mosque. You can see right to my backside. Hope you may have loved this video. Hope it was relevant for you. If you want to watch some more videos like that, so do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you could get the very first notification of our upcoming videos. By the way, we have a lot more for you to share, to explore with you. So just keep supporting me and keep supporting my channel. Until then, bye. Take care. Have a wonderful day to you.